Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what the Pine Beetle does in Growing Garden. Basically, it is pretty similar to what the Amethyst Beetle does. It says, Pine Beetle duel occasionally initiates a battle with another player's beetle. If your beetle wins, you get a reward. The higher level and heavier the beetle, the more likely it is to win. Pine Beetles can give a beetle reward exclusive to it. So yes, it's pretty similar, and you get it from gifts. And it also lights up. Here, I don't know if you can see it, but it did all right when I was jumping. There you go. You can see it. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.